الباب مغلق.
ما معناه؟
The door is closed.
All right, or locked. Number 7.
حاشم حاشم ذكي.
All right, ممتاز. What does it mean?
Hashim is ذكي. What's that? Hardworking or?
لا, smart.
Smart.
Hashim is smart. ذكي. ذكي. طيب. Number 9, this تمرين, it says ميز الجملة الاسمية من الجملة الفعلية. All right, distinguish the جملة الاسمية from the جملة الفعلية. All right, so read them and then mention whether it is a جملة اسمية or فعلية. All right, start here, number 1.
الجملة الفعلية. Oh, you want me to read the sentence? خرج المدرس.
All right, جملة الفعلية. What does it mean?
The teacher went out. The teacher left.
The teacher left. All right.
المدرس خرج.
All right. Is this اسمية or فعلية?
اسمية.
اسمية. All right, number 3.
صاحي. ضحك الولد. ضحك الولد.
جملة الفعلية واسمية؟
فعلية.
What does it mean?
The boy is happy.
لا.
ضحك.
ضحك. What does ضحك mean? It's a فعل. So you already said it's a فعل. فعلية. It's a فعل. ضحك means to laugh.
No. Oh, okay. That's what I said. I thought. All right, to laugh. No. Okay.
No. So the boy laughed.
Laughed.
The boy laughed. All right.